Welcome back to the channel, tech lovers. Today we're going all in on one of the most anticipated Apple devices of the decade, the iPad Pro M5, with new leaks, performance rumors, and hardware upgrades hitting the internet almost daily. It's time we break everything down for you. This is your complete, in-depth look at the iPad Pro M5 covering confirmed leaks, major design changes, old display rumors, performance with the M5 chip, Apple Pencil 3, Magic Keyboard 2025, iPadOS 19, and of course, price and release date predictions. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because what we're about to share will leave you saying, is this still an iPad? Or is this the future of computing? iPad Pro M5 design evolution. The M5 iPad Pro is rumored to receive the biggest physical overhaul since 2018. Gone are the slightly curved aluminum. Its edges welcome flat titanium frame and micro bezel old display. Key design changes: slimmer bezels, flat titanium. Edges like iPhone 15 Pro. Even thinner profile, 5.0mm, 11 and 5.1mm 13 landscape-oriented front camera redesigned. Camera bump for MagSafe alignment. It's not just a new look. This is Apple telling us the iPad Pro is no longer just a tablet. It's a pro workstation. Old display upgrade now onto the showstopper, the OLED display. This is arguably the biggest leap in iPad display history. OLED highlights tandem OLED technology. Used in Pro XDR displays, 120Hz promotion refresh rate, ultra deep blacks, plus high brightness, 2000 plus nits peak HDR, more color accurate for creatives. Better power efficiency, up to 30% screen sizes, 11-inch model, 13-inch model. The OLED screen isn't just a feature, it's a statement. This is Apple finally catching up and passing the competition in tablet displays. M5 chip power breakdown. The iPad Pro M5 will be powered by the Apple Silicon M5 chip, which is based on the 3nm plus process. It's more advanced than the M4 or even M3 chips. Performance. Rumors: 12-core CPU, 8 performance. For efficiency, 16-core neural engine with on-device AI capabilities, 12-core GPU with hardware ray tracing, LP, DDR5X, unified memory, up to 32 GB. 2x better thermal design. Expect this chip to outperform M3 MacBook Pro and even challenge base M4 Macs. iPadOS 19 and AI dive into it. iPadOS 19, which will be deeply optimized for AI tasks thanks to Apple Intelligence. iPadOS Talitus 19 features AI-generated auto-summaries for docs emails. On-device Siri with better contextual awareness, custom emoji, and image generation. Via Genmoji, Apple Pencil 3 AI enhancements, Smart Sketch, predictive lines, smart focus mode that adapts to work, study, play. This version of iPadOS makes the iPad Pro feel like an AI-first platform, not just an app launcher. Apple Pencil 3, here's where artists and designers get excited. The Apple Pencil 3 is expected to launch with the iPad Pro M5. Pencil 3 upgrades, magnetic interchangeable tips, Magic Keyboard 2025. The new Magic Keyboard is going full MacBook. Apple is bringing a sturdier aluminum base, a larger glass trackpad, and real function keys. Keyboard changes: aluminum top case for better stability, larger trackpad with haptic feedback, full row of function keys. New hinge for better lap use. Apple is clearly merging the iPad and Mac experience. This accessory proves it. Camera and LiDAR improvements, not a huge leap, still noteworthy. Expect small but smart improvements to both front and rear cameras. Expected updates: 12MP ultra-wide front cam, landscape position, rear dual lens setup, plus improved LiDAR, new ISP image signal processor. From M5 AI-based auto framing for FaceTime and Zoom. While not meant to replace your iPhone camera, this setup is still great for AR, 3D modeling, and calls. Gaming accessories. Now let's talk about gaming and performance. With the new M5 chip, the iPad Pro becomes a serious mobile gaming powerhouse. Gaming upgrades: hardware ray tracing support, Metal FX, upscaling for console-level performance support for Xbox and PlayStation controllers, AA titles like Resident Evil. For Death Stranding and Assassin's Creed Mirage runs smoothly. Accessories, Apple Pencil 3, and Magic Keyboard 2025 updated USB-C Thunderbolt 5 support DisplayPort. 2.1 compatibility for external 8K monitors. Enhanced MagSafe compatibility. With third-party accessories, battery, and charging. 13 model rumored to have a 12,000 mAh cell, 15% longer battery. Life versus M4 model support for faster 35W charging. This isn't just a tablet. It's a console, a drawing tablet, a workstation, and a laptop, all in one device. Storage. Pricing and release storage options: 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB, 2 TB, PRICING, estimated. 11-inch model, starting $1,09913. Inch model, starting $1,299. Release date: expected launch window, October 2025. Announcement at Fall Apple event. Pre-orders begin same week. Shipping within 10 days. It'll be expensive, but Apple's giving it Mac-level power, old visuals, and AI features to justify it. So there you have it, the iPad Pro M5, the most advanced tablet Apple has ever made. With an OLED display, M5 chip, Pencil 3, Magic Keyboard, and iPadOS 19's AI features, this is no longer just a tablet. It's a pro-level machine that could replace your laptop, drawing tablet, and even desktop for many. What do you think? Will the iPad Pro M5 be your next main device, or are you sticking with your MacBook? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like the video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our full review. When this beast is officially released, thanks for watching.